and then we go. Okay, so going back to our screen share. Um, okay, right. So the word that we are going to be doing today in our grammar is ittaqa. Ittaqa means to fear. And what are the root words of ittaqa? Anybody can tell me root words of ittaqa? What are the root words of ittaqa? Yeah, are you hearing me? Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So ittaqa, what are the root words? We are doing the mazid fi and we are doing the weak words of the mazid fi. This is the clue.
Waka, wow, kaf, ya.
MashaAllah. Waqa. Right? Alhamdulillah. So we'll see how this has become ittaqa from waqa. So which form is this?
Ikhtalafa.
MashaAllah. Very good. Ikhtalafa. Alhamdulillah. So these are the just a brief revision. Ta'lim and muhasaba are very important in Islam. Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf. Use it in istighfar. And the basic verbs form are allama, hasaba, aslama, ikhtalafa, and istaghfara. Then we also saw tadabbur and tadarus to have better inqilab to Allah. Right? So we saw today this verb tadarus. This pattern was used, and the root word was dara'a, and that ta had changed to the. So that way we have a we had uh, faddaratum fiha. The ta becomes the because they have the same makhraj. The makhraj of ta and makhraj of dal is the same. Right? So these are the sound words. We have seen the patterns of fatahana, saradaraba, sami'a, and then the weak words with a wow in the beginning, wahaba, wa'ada, wasi'a, and with the center is qala, zada, and sha'a, da'a, hada, radiya. Dhanna is the double, dalla is doubled, and massa is doubled. We also saw hamzated verbs with hamza in the beginning, hamza in the center, and hamza in the end, amara, sa'ala, and qara'a. Then in the Mazid fi we saw allama, hasaba, aslama, ikhtalafa, istaghfara. And in that, what we are doing now actually is studying the weak verbs in the Mazid fi form. So we already saw walla, then we saw nada, then we saw alqa, and we saw aqama on the pattern of aslama. We saw ihtada on ifta'ala. And today we are going to see ittaqa, right? So we'll see how this double ta has come from the root word of waqa. So what is the meaning of the root word waqaya? Waqaya is what? What is the meaning of the root word waw, kaf, and ya? Waqa. This is the root word, right? Waw, kaf, and ya. Waqa. So khalafa becomes ikhtalafa. What is the meaning of waqa? Wakina adab an-nar. We have seen how that waki has come, right? To prevent. Wakina, and prevent us from the fire. Wakina, right? So when it comes to the format of ikhtalafa, it should actually be iwtaqa, iwtaqa. But to pronounce this becomes a little difficult. Iwtaqa. So what the Arabs have done is they have changed this wow and made it a ta. Like we saw before today, that the ta was converted to dal, right? The ta was converted to dal. Same way, here the wow is converted to ta. And because of that, we get two tas. This dal becomes a ta. And because of that, it becomes two tas, one with a sukoon, ittaqa. And that's why we have put in a shadda here, ittaqa, right? So this wow becomes a ta. And because this wow becomes a ta, there is a sukoon and a harkat. And then that's why this is converted to a shadda word. Okay. So that's now you know that waqa means to prevent. And when that prevention you implement it on yourself, when you want to prevent yourself from doing wrong, that is called ittaqa, and from that itself the word taqwa comes. Ittaqa means to prevent the doing wrong things yourself. Okay. So this is how the knowledge of the Mazid fi it will give you more perspective on how the meanings have come. So forms of ittaqa like fa'ala, just keep the hamza and ta in the beginning in each form. So this we have to keep in each form, and then the ya we know that follows the hada pattern, and then it will be easy for us, right? So because of this ya, we know hada becomes hadaw. The initial part, that waw is already converted, so we know that this is always going to remain itta, itta. So the past tense is ittaqa, and the plural of that is ittaqaw. Like hada was hadaw, ittaqa becomes ittaqaw. Hadaita, ittaqaita, ittaqaita, ittaqaita. So just because of that kaf, we have to be a little distinct. Like it is similar to hadaita, but itta is going to remain same. So ittaqaita, ittaqaitum, ittaqaitu, and ittaqaina. This is the past tense Gardan, so we'll repeat it once more. Ittaqa, ittaqaw, ittaqaita, ittaqaitum, ittaqaitu, and ittaqaina. So like we had hada and hadaw, we had walla and wallaw. So whatever, whenever we have a ya in the end, the pattern is going to remain same. Hada hadaw, walla wallaw, nada nadaw, alqa alqaw, ihtada ihtadaw, and today's verb is ittaqa ittaqaw. Right? With this comes ittaqullah. When Allah comes after this, it will come ittaqullah. There's a hadith which says ittaqullah haysuma kunt. Fear Allah wherever you are, right? So ittaqa, he feared, ittaqaw, they feared, ittaqaita, you feared, ittaqaitum, you all feared, ittaqaitu, I feared, and ittaqaina, we all feared. So with this, we'll take the conversation. Because of this hamza, we have to put in a kasra here, because if we do not put it, then this la will have a sukoon, and alif will also have a sukoon, and then there'll be, you'll read it as a hattaqa. So that's why that extra kasra is put on hal. So halittaqa, does he fear? Please answer.
Naam ittaqa.
MashaAllah. So halittaqaw.
Naam ittaqaw.
MashaAllah. So halittaqaita, do you fear?
Naam ittaqaitu.
Halittaqaitum, do you all fear?
Naam ittaqaina.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. So plural, everybody is saying together, MashaAllah. We just have to add Allah, and Allah will come in the with a fatha, which because Allah is object in this sentence. So halittaqaitallah, because this ya will be dropped, so the kaf will go to the lam directly. It will actually be a single word, which is halittaqa Allah, but we can join it, and then this ya will not be read. So halittaqallah. Answer.
Naam ittaqaina Allah.
No, that is last. We are on the first one. Halittaqallah. So it is naam ittaqallah. Halittaqullah. Do they all fear Allah? Halittaqullah. Halittaqu, because of this vowel, it becomes plural. Halittaqullah. Do they all fear Allah? Naam ittaqullah. Yes, they all fear Allah. Then for the second person and first person, if I'm asking somebody across, Halittaqaitallah. Do you fear Allah? And the answer will be
Naam ittaqaitullah.
Ittaqaitullah, mashallah. And then all of you all can answer now. Halittaqaitumullah.
Naam ittaqaina Allah.
Mashallah. Naam ittaqainallah. Alhamdulillah. Right. So now with this we come to the present tense, which is again going to be similar to the yahdi, yahduna, tahdi, tahduna, ahdi, and nahdi. So ittaqa becomes yattaqi. Right? Ittaqa, yattaqi. We have know that only the first three forms will have a dhamma, all of the others will have a fatha only. So ittaqa, yattaqi. Yattaqi becomes yattaquna. Yattaqi, yattaquna, tattaqi, tattaquna. I fear attaqi, and we all fear nattaqi. So we should all fear Allah. Nattaqillah, nattaqillah. Let's see the present tense once more. Yattaqi, yattaquna, tattaqi, tattaquna, attaqi, and nattaqi. Okay, that is the present tense. And like we had yahdi, yahduna, yuwalli, yuwalluna, yunadi, yunaduna, yulki, yulquna, yahtadi, yahtaduna. Similarly, we have yattaqi and yattaquna. Right? So present tense is here, and we'll take the spoken Arabic. Hal yattaqi, does he fear or is he fearing? And answer will be
Naam yattaqi.
Naam yattaqi. Yes, he is fearing. Hal yattaquna, are they all fearing? Naam yattaquna, yes, they are all fearing. Hal tattaqi, are you fearing? Do you fear?
Mattaqi.
Naam attaqi, yes, I fear. Right? Now, if I'm asking all of you, I'll ask, Hal tattaqun, do you all fear?
Naam
nattaqi.
Naam nattaqi, mashallah. Right. So now with this we come to the order. So ikhtalafa, yakhtalifu, order is ikhtalif, differ. So ittaqa, he feared. Yattaqi, he is fearing, and order is ittaqi. The ya is converted to a kasra here. Right? The sukun of the ya is converted to kasra, and that's why it becomes ittaqi. So ihdi, ihdu, walli, wallu, nadi, nadu. These are all the orders. Alki, alqu, ihtadi, ihtadu, ittaqi, fear. Ittaqu, you all fear. Right? So ittaqi, ittaqu, la tattaqi, do not fear, la tattaqu. So we should not fear shaitan. Right? So la tattaqi, la tattaqu. So ittaqi, fear. Answer will be attaqi, I will fear. Ittaqu, you all fear. And the answer will be nattaqi, yes, we all fear. And we can just add Allah to it. So if you are talking to a single person, we'll say ittaqillah. Right? So ittaqillah is not feminine, it is order for a single person. Ittaqillah, ittaqillah. And the answer is going to be attaqillah, yes, I fear Allah. And for the plural, we will say ittaqullah, you all fear Allah. Right? So if you're saying only one person, then we'll say ittaqillah, and when we are plural, we'll say ittaqullah. And the answer will be nattaqillah, nattaqillah. Yes, we all are fearing Allah, or we will fear Allah. Right? So like we had the active participle of ikhtalif as mukhtalifun. Right? The same way we have muttaqiyun, but that ya becomes the joins with the qaf and becomes a tanween there because of it's a noun. So ittaqa, yattaqi, ittaqi, and muttaqi, muttaqin. Right? So that's the name used. Muttaqin is a lot of people have a name as muttaqi. Allah Ta'ala will make us from the muttaqin. So ittaqa is muttaqin. And if we see the passive participle of mukhtalif, it is mukhtalaf. Okay. So ittaqa, yattaqi, ittaqi, muttaqin, and muttaqa. So we have seen this before that the ya becomes kasra here, and the passive participle with the fatha will have this alif maksura coming back again. Muttaqa, muttaqa. Okay. So now the action or verbal noun, ittaqa becomes ittiqa, or ittiqa, like ikhtalafa becomes ikhtilafun, ittiqa'un. Right? That is the fearing. So muttaqin, muttaqa, and ittiqa'un. So referring to the Sahaba, hal huwa muttaqin, is he a muttaqi? Naam, huwa muttaqin. Hal hum muttaqun, are they all muttaqi? All of them are muttaqun. And the answer will be Naam, hum muttaqoon. They all are muttaqi. They all were fearing Allah. So fear of Allah is part of the taqwa. Okay. And the feminine form will be ittaqat. Ittaqat in the past tense, and the present tense will be tattaqi. Yattaqi becomes tattaqi. Okay. So ittaqa, yat, ittaqa, ittaqu, ittaqaita, ittaqaitu, ittaqaitum, ittaqaina, and ittaqat. And the present tense is yattaqi, yattaquna, tattaqi, attaqi, tattaquna, nattaqi, and tattaqi. And the order will be ittaqi, ittaqu, la tattaqi, la tattaqu, muttaqin, muttaqa, and ittiqa'un. Right? This is a shaddaya. Ittiqa'un. So coming back to the keys of the verbs and nouns, ittaqa, yattaqi, ittaqi, muttaqin, muttaqa, ittiqa'un. Right? The differences are ittaqaw and ittaqaita, and yattaqun is the present tense. Right? Right. So memorize the table for ittaqa and fear Allah. You all will be ittaqullah. Right? And faman ittaqa wa aslaha. So whoever fears Allah and does righteous deeds. Hal antum muttaqun Allah. So answer will be na'am. Nahnu muttaqun Allah. Yes, we all are fearing Allah. Similarly, we have another word which is a little simpler than ittaqa. We have iftara. Right? Iftara, iftarau, iftaraita, iftaraitum, iftaraitu, iftaraina. And in the fi'l mudari, it will be iftara, yaftari, yaftaruna, taftari, taftaruna, aftari, and naftari. And the order is going to be iftara, iftari, and iftaru, and la taftari, la taftaru. And the active participle will be muftarin and muftara and iftiraun. Iftira is to fabricate, to jhoot garna is called fabrication. So iftara. So they were fabricating lies for Allah. So this is just the revision of that. Right. So any questions for the grammar part? Today we'll be covering just one session because I'm out and we have some connectivity issues as well. Any questions for the grammar part? Yeah. It is pretty simple, but because of that wow getting to ta, converting to ta, if you just get that part clear, then you know that it is which form. It is ikhtalafa, and then all the things that will follow for ikhtalafa will follow for this. Yeah. What is the question? I can understand. नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं? What is the question?
Who died?
Okay, so any questions? Anybody has any questions? Okay, so then if there are no questions, then inshallah we'll stop for today, and we will take the questions on the WhatsApp group, and next Sunday inshallah we continue with the routine. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Yeah, anybody was wanting to ask something? Hello? Okay, so we end the meeting here.